In this video, let me show you the way that you can create an account on Xite. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. Xite is a music video streaming service and a television platform dedicated to delivering offshore music videos. In order for you to create and watching music videos, you'll need to first of all create an account. To do that, head over to xite.com on a web browser. Once you do that, you'll land on this web page. In order for you to sign up, you'll see the option called sign up on the top right of the screen. If you already have an account, you can just click on the login option and then type in your credentials. If not, click on sign up. In the next step, you need to type in a few information such as your email address. You need to create a password and then repeat your password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you type in your password on the first section, you'll need to repeat it on the second section. Make sure that both of these passwords are correct. You can also check by clicking on this eye icon so that the password is revealed. Next, you'll need to type in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your gender. So fill in these further information. Once you select it and fill in all of the information that are necessary, you can scroll down, click on I'm not a robot to verify yourself, and then click on create account. Now straight away, you'll also have an option of connecting to your TV. So if you are a Roku or a Amazon customer, you can just head over to the settings and type in the code. If not, and if you don't want to connect to your TV right now, you can click on connect to TV later. And there you go, your account on Xite now has been created. You can now explore the different pages that Xite provides. So that's all it takes in creating an account on Xite. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.